Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TRB. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this very huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. And we will also take a look at this rising wedge pattern that is formed on a daily time frame chart as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TRB that I shared a few days ago on 22nd of September 2023 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TRB that I shared a few days ago on 22nd of September 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that TRB formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was, by the way, more than 113% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of TRB. And first of all, I would like to take you here to this weekly time frame chart. And you can see that since after September 2020, it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. You can see we had several touch points here. We got rejection here. We got rejection here. Several touch points here. Had another bounce. We got rejection here. Slightly fake out we had here, but the price then re-entered the same falling wedge pattern. Then we had another bounce from here, another rejection, 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 bounce, and finally we broke out the resistance here in the month of September 2023. And after that, we had a very, very massive reversal. By the way, from this low to this high, so far it has rallied almost 960%. And right now you can see it's struggling to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $70 and goes to $80. And you can see previously, whenever the price then has been entering inside this resistance zone, it is getting rejected, like it happened here in the month of August 2020. Then here it also worked as a resistance, but here we got rejection, here we got another rejection. And right now you can see for the past 3 or 4 weeks, it is struggling to break out this resistance zone. Once it will be able to break out this resistance zone, then it can hit the target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $170. Now, on the daily time frame chart, you can see that it is moving inside this rising channel, a rising wedge pattern, and you can see we are testing the support, by the way, more than the resistance. That is a quite critical situation because in this situation, if it is showing that it is testing the support more than the resistance, that can be a signal for the breakdown. But right now, you can see it is again moved up and aggressively moving to make another attempt to break out the resistance of this wedge. And this time, the resistance will be approximately at $92. And if the price then will be able to break out this rising wedge pattern, then the target for this breakout can be slightly higher, quite higher than the previous target of this big falling wedge pattern. And that target can be here. That will be approximately at $200 if the price then will break out the resistance of this falling wedge, rising wedge pattern from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.